because nakele ntwana nakele mtswembu nakudlala Moharen bambone daskela bara mfana blind
Unudlala kaye wena?
yeah immediately
Hayi.
I was not the defender.
Why umphikisa
It's not
mfana?
make sure. Hayi.
Akithi fu sayihopula game eridlala lelena mo Elisphaka mo. Yeah, untu umbotso wena wangazi mina ubani mina. Ke wena ngithi wena uyangazi wena Jabu wena.
Ngiyakufuna khona isipha.
Bari ke masolmula bakra red card. Ridlala libona. Ka yena Jabu. Ka kamlata le nna ka re wetsi awuyetsa next mina ngitsa are okay unokuba famous ka nna na ke unokuba famous ka wena na kulele ke ulebella
And then like now out yako somewhere go Africa boma Cameroon serious
asiwena wamathomo le
no serious
yeah le
serious mkhotsi ya
lathazwane kupho ladlala le Chiefs ko Durban eDar Skokha ke Skokha dlala right back zwana shula Skokha la ulandele gogongo le wayibona kithi
athini
wayibona ulandele gogongo le ke le mona o ringi ake iphume Pitori le
sanibonani bafethu sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle sinibulisa kanjalo njengenjwayelo this is your host Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers bafethu namhlanje ngiphethe enye guest ngizoyi introduce nje kungasikudala bengidribula le out blind yale out bengidribula blind but ngizoyi introduce later on ithi ngiqale ngithi bafethu this show this episode is brought to you by BetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bets. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu as register ku BetJets bafethu. Yeah, this episode is powered by BetJet, of course supported by Sharp Clothing Store. Angihambi ngiyi-one bafethu before ngizo introduce i-guest lami eli special vandag angihambi ngiyi-one niyazi nani ngivaya ne-sense of knowledge isikhokho esikhokhelwayo knowledge Sharp kunjani ntwana?
Ngimnani Javas kunjani uthiyami?
Hayi ziyasha. Ngiphethe indoda bengihlukumeza lapha. Ngiphethe indoda bengihlukumeza kakhulu FNB.
Ngicela ukuthi number 1 Tsotsi. Hayi number 1 Tsotsi khona uphakamayo la. Introduce mfethu nami marithi ngibulise bafethu. It's Busiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge on JMDS. It's good to be back. It's better one of the legends of South African football. Yeah, uJabu sekaza introduce again.
Yeah, but first don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers singamoshi isikhathi bafethu siphethe legend la left back beyimnandi mara mina yangazi ngifuna ukuthi behlele leyo beyimaka labo bamakayo mina yazi bengivurvayo bafethu. Yeah, let me introduce our guest namhlanje uAbednego Nichodwe. Tsotsi number 1. Yeah, indoda edlalele iMabopane Young Masters, indoda edlalele iAfrican Wanderers, indoda edlalele iReal Stars, of course yadlalela iBhakania FCAK ne? Yeah, FCAK, Bay United, Net Dynamos. Bafethu ngingasamoshi isikhathi. Tsotsi number 1.
Shabab the pay.
Welcome to the show ntwana.
Shabab brawaka.
Okay, ngithware ka left man. Uleft okay. Yeah. Great.
Ha ke mnadi.
Mfethu siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Thanks for coming.
Jabulile ukufika la.
Yeah,
ngijabulile kakhulu.
Ujabulile kakhulu. Asicale mfethu ya. Tsotsi number 1. Uthole kanjani nickname mfana? Le Tsotsi number 1 libuya phi?
Libitso le letswakhole. I remember we were playing against Sundowns. Loftus emola. Kabethathekela bamfaka yellow card. Kabethe ngwe thonsi bamfaka red card ka latara ifreka iphusha kayisearch.
Jwang
Dila. Balahlile di referee mos.
And then
yeah, again after the game a re tsamaya re boela morao da so chairman and pizza la officing a bitsa team of fella from today mfano ke number 1 tsotsi just like that.
So why boy kuthuzure mfethu?
Ake nna ke na le yellow card ke itse re nka ya hape mo mfa red card. That's why ke ile ke nanne ka pe ke nana ke smart ke nana fast.
Yeah, ni batla hore iska tswa red card.
Correct because team na yo jiwa na ro short.
Esenze fana before ngene ndawo uyamuza lo muntu nickname ishone kanjani. Uhlukumeza ubona umpempe.
Uyabona?
Yeah. Mfethu, thanks for coming, thanks for sharing. So mfethu uyazi ukuthi mina nawe dala sihlangana kakhulu efieldini, but before siya lapho kuningi sizokhuluma ngazo your experience eMabopane Young Masters yabona, but now obviously we can't start the show ungakazi introduce nawe kahle in terms of telling us your background yabona ukuthi ubani uBetnico, your family life,
Yeah.
yabona usasentwana idisk licale kuphi, if ukhona umuntu mhlambo wakubona usasentwana wakintroduce ebholweni or khona abakini maybe your family members bayadlala idisk, sifuna nje usikaye yonke nje leyo background without ukuthi ngokuphazamise nani, sikaye nje yonke leyo background, your family life and your upbringing nje before sizokwazi.
Okay. Nake Abednego Necholo Tsotsi number 1. I was born in Winterfeld, Komagaunyana Datsu. After that, timer a regan to go Soshanguve da 1988. Nixenze Lentwana and habe polo ki study lo skela obviously re dlala bolo ko sekolo wa o bola khala dlala challenge one pala wa ibona lunyana tsona tse abe ra dlala ko sekolo ngedaso na le timer lengwe may so rest in peace Braden then Kumapi o tlhokofetse ke ena mponing ke dlala go skela da so antse angisa go teaming ya ke sa tsakele ntwana Real Madrid. Yeah, so na quite antotsing pila
Braden,
Braden,
the late
yeah,
Braden,
the late
yeah, no
Braden,
may
yeah.
still rest in peace. Mara ko dlala
timer
lona vele.
timer no lesole da so
That's not
nadlala ya nadlala diskile na ku family go dlala imvele nabantu badlala ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tswe monna fela family ke batho ba ball.
Oh, and then
Yeah.
after Real Madrid and then seba scoutile and obviously ayile batho ba ball obviously vele batlo khuthatsa right mfethu pusha yabona akufani nama family mhlambe ukuthi if bekungasi abantu bedisk bebazokutshela mhlambe ngesigela kona beba isigela.
Yeah, ngelezize ngina umatric itsene wanyatsa fela la ngizula la sikhuwa. Yabona
Uphehlile wena.
Akuphehlile akethi to shoot on the ball asesikhuwa. Ke lena ke yalitse le beta shoot on the ball. Wa tag in utsenza ka mohara. Tag in wa ibona lutsi. Yeah. Skanyatsa.
No, sharp fit and then yeah, ricocele mfana siye Real Madrid and then uya kanjani ku Mabopane Young Masters.
Yeah, Mabopane Young Masters bangithotse ko sekolo.
Yeah.
Time lele mbale ke Tik Molewa.
Yeah.
Nana le team da so ke nansko amponi.
Andamang.
Na dlala di wait is ke la champion only champion because na ke le ntwana ke le mtswembo na ke dlala moharen. Bampone da skela ba re mfana blind.
Unudlala kae wena?
Yeah, middle.
Hayi.
I was not the defender.
Why umphikise
It's not
mfana?
make sure. Hayi.
Ake coach ngole yeah, bengimnandi phakathi lapha.
Serious?
Yeah.
And then Skela udlale for isikhathi esingakanani? Bakhona amajita mhlambe ayile aya ku ProSite odlale nawo from kuMabopane Young Masters. Abagcine nabo baya. If bakhona maybe you can share nathi ukuthi abobani and stuff.
Nale ntwana engwe Sigunundu. Udletse ko Young Masters akere wa itso le team tsa mofatsi di a dlala Nedbank
Yeah,
Cup pele na ba bitsang. Di team tsa mofatsi di dlala le di team tsa PSL.
Yeah.
Ba re bone da lena Sigunundu na I thought or ke nyagile ke Wanderers kante no ke Africa nagnya Rangers. I thought it's Rangers because we were playing against Rangers.
Okay.
Kante ke Wanderers. Sigunundu yena ba mmone o bone ke Rangers. O tshantsa tsamaile yena o khanno tsamaya because of Rangers no le makhuwa fela. ayithi sikhuwa wadibona lethi abale gwala nale blind isigunundo nale blind
yeah.
because yena u lose the opportunity ona kamkhulu because
Kasigamla vele.
kasigamla vele wabona isikolo is very important wabona isikolo is important wabona naka thola ke the late Njiyela may his soul rest in
Oh
peace.
yes, Baba Njiyela,
Yeah,
yes.
got amponing it also pizza. And the happy wale problem supposed to go to Rangers. Bahana ga clearance young masters. Ka struggle am.
Janong we thothi jwang clearance.
Ke tsamaile, a ke na le nkane nna. Ke tsamaile ke bang buketse flight le nna hape ne ke thabile phela ke wa itse Durban.
Yeah.
Ke re go nna Durban. Eish. Ne ke ke le ntse ke le ntwana ke le one day ke go nna go Durban. A ke re wa itse go social na beach.
Yeah.
Wa di bona dilo tse.
Yeah. So utlwile from Mabupane and to Young Masters straight to Wanderers. Wanderers ki African Wanderers abaqulu
Abaqulusi yeah.
So
Hayi.
bohlala nabo Bele.
Bele na sa tsamaye ma ke same team.
Oh yeah, that's why ke botse o be
Yeah.
se ba
Se ba tsamaile ba ile go Pirate yeah. Se ba tsamaile.
So no dlala le bo mang kheda.
O no Thimokwena ntla mathebula na
Yeah,
le go
na le rona go
Chiefs,
cheese
yeah.
ne ba mo low.
Bo Solinketle
Yeah.
wa bona bo Mandla bo Mushini Mazibuko
Yeah.
wa di dreads o.
Shini Mazibuko ama dreads yamkhumbula.
Ngathole good team.
Yeah, no, awurchayele ke ka Jenny umfethu sicocele yonke into ke ku Wanderers. Now idlala ko professional Wanderers.
PSL ba.
PSL akere. Awurcocele mfana.
Eish.
No uthotsi bukae ka signing on fee or
To be honest, mola bangrekile from Young Masters. I got told 7 fee. But my first salary, I get to go Young Masters.
Yeah.
Told my 1.5. Why?
so le ko Durban una le pitch 1.5.
Listen, Kerry. Go Young Masters.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hola 1.5.
Yeah.
Katola offer ya African Wanderers.
Okay.
About 6.5. I
Oh.
was so happy. And the guy is Durban. Ki ola di factory tse ba na ke na le di Levi's go le na ke na le color tso tletsa le Levi's tsa jeans.
Ono
Color tso de
ono
go
tla Levi's.
yeah na ke motho Levi's na ke betha color kaofela tsa Levi's.
Yeah, and then uchayele ka ski ka e chain mfethu your teammates
Yeah,
ne
mola-
coach wa ke mang the whole experience nje akabatla u disturb akabatla u
Yeah,
break le
mola
down
ish.
life ya how ya ko Durban waqala uba professional akere
Yaqala uba professional, yeah.
ngicela usikaye yona yonke intwana ngakuphazamisi sibile siza nayo kahle.
Ya kufihlile la Durban ka kra Majida Mojosi ntla mathebula
Yeah, Alaska.
Alaska ka shera flat le yena mola kena nantsa nthuta Durban ke le nna Zulu nyana sa ka se mnati ke tswa Pitori akukhona ukukhuluma kahle wa bona dilo tse and the happy dlala le Majida ba maZulu da so ubani lo abangitsa ke re bjana
Yeah.
nna ke latile ke coach wa bona ntla ke yena nantsa bolele nna Sotha ntsa nga introduce ko Majida mola bo note at least ka kra bo note Mokwena
Yeah.
ke tlhelela ene ke ya o tshamo kasi ke tswa Pitori at least ba ntshwara pila Majida wa ba ntse ba mpontsha play ke da so but to be honest no le team matchup ele
First game ya
yo first game
what,
I
yeah,
got
nilidlala league and how was your experience there?
yeah
And-
my first game was we're playing against Sundowns
yo
ona go Durban daso kore to be honest re jewele da mara na ke thabile why ke thabile because of ba jele 5-1 I score John Tlale ke nna ke korile that game 5-1
1-8 korule wena.
e korile again
Oh, at that time when Tsotsi bosodlala
na ke dlala mohara
oh bongakadlali ile.
hayi i defense
So wena ujabuliswe ukuthi kore wena.
ukore
i-team.
mina mathi imidliwile wayibona ntwe
Yeah.
like ithabile because of first time kizoku TV and the game in ile life wayibona ntwe
Yeah.
but I was so happy and I played well
So
Wayibona.
so manje ngada mawuvayile so batheni endlini mfethu. Mhlambe you know sometimes mawuvaya uya kwenye province or uyospana kwenye indawo obviously usasentwana mhlambe endlini timer or whoever family member batlo like batlo khuthatsa no okay mfethu we must be careful of the Durban mhlambe nightlife usikafihla molo bhayize solumnati sobona lwatle did you get such advices from your family
Yeah,
and
like-
what was it?
especially timer yabona timer ke motho ake kubutso timer ka no lesona motho a tsamaile ndi country to
Yeah.
why is or what's happening and then nice a young boy one guy to mfana kithi Durban we level is very dangerous umnato ngimabona athi ngiyamantshi ngabona level and happy uka level la Durban that time nele blind ka 80 wabona lo tsantsa
Oh,
ngayeta no
yes, yes,
uyitebelle
yes.
o te tshware pila o fitla go pele la ska fitla kwa wa change ke fame yabona and I listen I did listen
So coach aluna o itse nele mang?
no linjela
Oh Njiela.
yeah
Sense.
Yeah, I wanted to ask him about that question. Yeah, gore, who was the coach? Because I thought maybe ki Nelly, ki mang out here Henry Cele, Shaka Zulu.
sanga ngcoach and
Azanga coach.
yeah
But ule wa di utlwa ditori tsa gae da, because
Yeah.
that guy was very fit. So when you got there, ukrea Machita, obvious Belenon Vete was gone.
BMX was
BM
gone.
yeah.
Zuma was gone.
Zuma was gone. Mara that team na ke itseba ka Henry Cele because I was a big favorite ya Henry Cele. So Machita hampotsa ba re that team was very fit. So when I fit like that to Nelly Jwang in terms of fitness, Machita, and how was your fitness when I fit like that?
Timela nele very fit because of oka level la le na the late Njela naja team ayisa bichi mola romata Majita fitness yona hayi no ka se ba itse selo ka fitness Majita that's
Yeah.
yeah lena na ke lan fit but since ke nna da ke ntse ke gym le bona before ban sign because ne ke sokodisa ke clearance what na ne ke le super fit lena because always in the morning always na re beaching romata da go beaching ko Santa and the way it's Santa is very heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and vele ngaloso sikhathi futhi sense bekungakajwaye bekuma team vele owasibo Durban PE abajimele ema beach. At that time beba fit vele
Yeah.
thina besingajimele ema beach. Thina besishaya itepisi ulimala amadolo. Ayi mfethu ayithina ulimala amadolo. Yeah, sense.
Yeah, no mnani.
Yeah, no manje Mdladla so lapha ya udlale for how many years da? And did you win any trophy and any success story or a story nje esilagisayo because unothi uyamazi namanje watsiba ridlala kawufela di games arona tsa di masters watsiba nothi yo watsiba umnatha unale nothi yeah sifuna manje ama insight bekunjani dressing room nje ntwana mhlambe manwinile or manluzile yabona rabatla di insight sifuna ukuthi ama listeners wethu swathathe swafake phakathi dressing room Wanderers at that time when you lost if you lost the game or maybe you won the game, what was the feeling like?
Yeah, to be honest na like no tegere o ka lebella no team go nna ke motho ke gotseng ke ntse ke mo lebella no to tswa World Cup a ke fitla da ke na le no team go ene ke dlala le ena that same dressing room sometimes ke tswa le ena wa bona I was very happy and happy ke le ena lo tse baya mo yena wa bona ban ke putiso ke motho ya ke a ke wait sometimes
Mara le barusto.
some yena vele na le studio ke motho wa o khajila wa bona dilonyana tse bya ke le ni le dilo tse baya tse
Yeah.
not tse bad mo yena tse good mo
Yeah.
yena and then not ke motho a ratang go gym wa bona dilo tse na le very fit that man.
I think that man was the fittest player,
yeah.
Ku PSL in
Yes.
his era. Yes.
Yeah, because
So no
ke le-
Jimalian.
Yeah, na ke na lata o senga le monna re tsama. Even if we ile go menateng da so asa but Hussein wa tsoa wa ya gym in that man.
Hey. And then I will fitla ke ku gymming and then uthe uhleli isikhathi singakanani lapha?
Yeah, ke dletse one season ifela la.
One season.
Yeah, one
And
season.
udlala imidlilini.
Ngidlala
And then
Midland.
waya kulo
Korea Stars.
Real Stars. Itlile jwang deal ya Real Stars. Kuze kanjani ukuthi uye ku Real
To
Stars?
be honest, before ke ya go Wanderers no tshwantse ke ile go Real Stars. Because
Oh,
Real
if it-
Stars bangitse from na re dlala computer le bona go NFT. Yeah, na problem ya go re ke ska ya go Real Stars ke bone ba sign bo the late Thabang Lebese bo Frank Makuo bo Biela di player tse ne le famous ko Chiefs. Bo Amfrey Mlwana wa bona le
Ngiyakhumbula
ka
leyo
ngeke
setup.
ngidlale lapha mina. Kade thuwa na ka se be le confidence.
Oh, yeah.
Kare kwa banyaka but una le player tse ke dlala mo midfield ke tse ntse ka ranga se dlale ka ya go Wanderers because go Wanderers advantage ya ka ke nyaka ke head coach.
Oh
Kwana
yeah.
ke nyaka ke management bo Chico Twala bo Real Twaba wa bona.
Oh yes.
Yeah ka se.
then nase itla hape ba se ba gutla he.
Bambitsa banyaka kaya kare no at least no ke na le experience ya one season PSL.
Oh yes.
Yeah, le nna ke mothunyana no batla ngitse. O ka khona ngugula no ke teng mo Google. What do you want to do? Yeah, kara le nna ke sa aksate nyatsa yena.
Yeah.
I'm a big player le nna yena ke go rile go le Sundowns. Ba ba retail ba shi ba kore. Or ba ke trophy ya man of the match since badlala PSL. Azanga abana babanje abana tsona dilo tse.
Yeah.
Yo man of the match abana tsona.
Mara no kukuphi lana tsotsi la ke uthema ubheka. Angazi or bese ku Real Stars or before Pirates, but angifuni sijump Real Stars because Real Stars you had a good team also there. Yeah. You had a very good team. And ama team wakudala mfethu man bekungasi njengamanje only 3 teams ku league. Ama team mongo notice wakudala bewane man. Noma bekungaba i-team eku number 11 mara like kuna 2-3 yita kuleyo team. So how was the change ya hore utloa ko Durban so gutla ka iko Real Stars o thotse bo mang ko Real Stars bolaki?
Yeah, ke thotse bo Solomolapo la ke le party Thapelo Diao bo Mshikaro.
Yeah, Mshikaro wa striker ne.
Striker.
Yeah.
Ke thotse and we itse batho ba ke ba kreya mole ke ba ke dletseng le bona go NFD. Go le mola na ke le comfortable too much. Because ke thotse majita ko kasi wa di bona dilo tse.
Yeah. So no uchincha ningi ukusuka emidlilini kuya ku left back.
Eish.
Uchinche ku Real Stars.
Go botse stories yeah.
Onolo ko Real Stars.
Ko Real Stars.
Okay, sharp.
Bale ke mang coach Kenny Ndlazi usamopo like.
Brakeni, yes.
Yeah,
yes. Yes.
Hona le Robson Mchicho usamopo.
Eish.
Robson Mchicho nana le booking for booking. Ra dlala le Swayelosi. Haona left back.
Eish.
Brakeni ampitsa ko side ngaro ethi ke mfana wami. Akere wamizi lena ke mashaya ke. Wazini mfana wami namhlanje. You know you are a good player but today ufuna uzondlalela left back because umchicho akekho. Just like that. After kufethu udlala left back coach athaba kathola man of the match. Coach ara iposition yakho mfana. Just like the gidlitsi wena gidlitsi bya.
Yeah.
So my left back yangikhomarela waya ka idlala.
Mara zange ukwatise la ile.
Ikwatisi. Wayibona?
So now no ring. Robson a gutla.
Una benching. Badlalisa nna left.
Hey one.
Just like the ngithotse kanona la.
Retire Robson Mchicho la.
Wayibona?
Robson retire lapha.
After that angasala ya kuphi. But na Jais blogo there.
Hey man.
Yeah.
But you had a good team fana your memories ntwana ge re qoqele akubatla ubutsa nthotse bhaki batla wena man o re kenye ko Real Stars.
Yeah, Real Stars
a re kenye ge deep because
life especially if you move away from Durban utla ko Polokwane ngere Real Stars. We want the big change city life versus ke village kada le di village nyana kada bo
rena mona re ena no le pleke sharp Polokwane ya ne le mo town da and go re Polokwane ne le sharp to be honest but na since ke ntse ke le twana ke gole ne ke ithatela Durban. Yeah, go ne go tenela go ne go bona beach ba. Ke rata beach wena lutho o ka lebella ke le khala wa bona wa fisa ka damu ke le mo ke toba wese mo. Wa fisa go Polokwane to be honest.
So azangwa enjoy Polokwane.
Yeah, kazanga that's why ke dlala di one season. Ke thethe one season ifela le yona da so team wa ba le mathata hape. Ya re ke siwa ba raisa na chelete. O di bona le tse.
Mara ne le gola sharp da.
Mola na ba re tshwere pile ona le bonus feze le lena re lejo a ke tse fu sa e hopola game re dlala le lena mo Ellis Park mo ya o ntso umpotso re wena wangazi mina ubani mina ke wena ngithi wena uyangazi wena Jabu
ke upula ko Ellis Park
ba re ke masol molapa ke red card re dlala le bona ka yena Jabu kare kamlata le nna kare wetsi keng a o etsa next mina ngitsa are okay o no go ba famous ka nna na ke go ba famous ka wena and as far la wena uzothola red card kena kare wadlala itshwara kare crowd wa itse ke motho wa crowd ya hlanya kare o angitsi pila ke a bona Kile I beta hape ka re thekele red card. Ka joina teammate aka kala ke re man hey ba ke Jabu hape. Mfana uya. Kwa di wona mfana uya.
Mara vele that day.
2 red cards in one
Red
game.
card ka mntombo wakhe.
Mara vele lantwana mangukutshela kanje because
Yeah.
I get very sense uyangazi mina bengithanda
Mind
yabo-
game, Nto.
Yeah, bengidlala ama mind games ngothanele.
Yeah.
Like ukutshela like ngokupula vele mfethu like bekuthini kuwe ntwana masigele because I remember besethanele mangithi
Yeah.
wena ukubonisa istory fandakho wena ubani.
Uzomaka mina wena.
Uzomaka mina wena.
Yeah.
Kabona ushebe
Ushepla
ushapile
nane
bukha.
yeah naku bulili ka ulebella.
And then like now out yako
Yeah.
somewhere ko Africa buma Cameroon serious tu.
Asi wena wamathomo le.
No serious.
Yes, yeah le.
Serious mkhosi ya.
Lathi azwane kupho ladlala le Chiefs ko Durban eDar Sikhokha. Ke Sikhokha dlala right back zwane la shuli.
Yeah,
Sikhokha la
yes.
ulandele gogongo leli. Wayibona nje.
Athini?
Wayibona ulandele gogongo leli. Ke le mona o ringi. Ake iphume Pitori le.
No serious mkhosi lena like first time ka game le vele bengithi wangaphandle yes hayi.
Yeah,
Ukile
wayibona.
uri wahlaya kuhlobonisa makarele indoda le.
Yakakho.
Yabu.
Yeah.
Ikhulumi yabu awuthele mina
Asi
bengithi
liphala shoes labo lela tsona tse.
Yabo-
Ke bone bontsho ingi wabona no maybe.
Yeah, but no, I get your idea ntwana ku intimidator because now I was trying to get into your mind so that could disturb or ukwate.
Yeah.
Wena o no puditseng that moment ke fetsa go tella. Go thanele ke ra kena. Ha ona o repela ra chika ra kena.
Yeah. Kile no a fitla ka mara grang yoko bontsho re ke nna mapila pila. Ko ro mpethile psychology.
Yeah.
No le nna ke tlo bontsha ka le nna ke nyoko threaten ka mara ground. A wala ntso ke ntso ko ka throw-in. Aba kono ba bolo ne ke ntse ko betha diro.
Yeah, ka tolo.
Ya ka tolo.
Ngithe wena ufuna ukuduma ngami.
Ufuna ukuduma ngami. Yabona.
Ni jezelibi.
Yeah.
Ngigcoke ne jezelibi na ufuna ukuduma ngami. Awupona. Esibuya fair mnganami.
Yeah, dala Yabona.
But football was nice, man, at that
Yeah.
time. I don't think I'm a player manje anawo ama players analeyo character.
I think that was the biggest thing about yesteryear football.
Yeah,
Mind
character,
games.
mind game.
Before the game, I remember mfethu nathi Ace Mulife Ntsoleng.
Yeah.
He used to do that a lot. Umthola faki oil la emathangeni and he would look at the other team and will tell you ukuthi abekho laba man, abekho laba. And before the game laba bayakwata baphume gaming, if you are not strong mentally, it affects you. So I wonder ukuthi basayenza labafana bamanje.
Hayi manje bafaka lezi zinto lezi la emadlebeni.
Mindset.
Hayi manje abasayenzi abanaso isikhathi ba ku Instagram.
Eish.
Babheka ama influencer manje.
Ntwe good view o itse re dlala ba re Ria Stars versus Chiefs. Ra itse re ba mpotso le mona o Kempe Jabu pule watla wa bona go le nna ntwe ne
Ya
motivate
motivate ya. Hey.
a ke nya go tlo ntseisa ka batho ke re wa mitso la di spy tuna le speed tuna le eng and wa mitso and ke motho wa kra ga itshwara fela
Crowd up.
crowd ya etsa le wena sometimes wa panika mola aka o dribble one wa tswa gaming
Yeah.
and the league crowd wa bona dilo tseo
Yeah.
because a dlala bo Chiefs now already na re motivated
I don't need motivation.
ni da ba re bonus ba re a le ja Chiefs ke 5,000 ai already re go dlala big team
Yeah.
Mara
Yeah.
dikile la re shaya mosne ke Real Stars.
yeah re
Ikon-
betile
Khona game.
Offense.
Yeah, khona game engike nashaya
Yeah.
kuyo vele. Hey, ana bo bebaqinile laba chita, hey bebamnandi bebadlala.
strong.
Hayi beba strong. But what was your like your best game ntwana oyigopolang ko Real Stars? Our I was my best if usayikhumbula.
na mona gibile best games in
Tse Bayern, eh.
the bar
A1, mfo,
dlala le
two
Pirate dlala le Swallows sanchi le Sundown
Oh,
nanchi
ke
bila
big teams.
yeah nanchi ke motho wa di big team ke motho wa di small teams anchi o kre ba re Ria Stars versus Sundowns na ke wa mohopola Mazibuku Clement o ka re o tswa ka se
Wa ka seaka, yeah.
to dribble lena vele
Yeah, lena na le speed,
that
na
day
le
na ke mo
power.
defendisa na zanga atheka na ke mo na yena na sala nna morao wa bona ke ona best game ya ke Ria Stars
Yeah, because Clement beka very skillful and
Yeah.
strong. Yeah, because ukudila no Clement bekuyi problem because bekumele usebenzise namandla. At least
strong.
me I was like, yeah, nane kili tiny next na strength, but hey, Clement, yeah, no. And then Rafita Radlaya Ria Stars, Mama Ria nile motho jwang fethu. ne tshwere ke mang o itse ke
Chico
Chico
le ena le.
yeah go utlwile gore ke Chico le no, how was the management mfana ne ba le tshwere byang ne ba itseba ba ileng ba etsang or ne ba tshwere nyoko fela ba etsa fela a re ba bui gampe just the honest truth ukuthi okay hayi la bebayazi into abayenzayo ayi la bebabheda bebanokwenza like awusibreakile down bona i-management nje yenu
ya unalo awuthengwe ihlokofethu lona bale ke Junior Ramos nale ko Real Stars naso le so rest in peace lena nale management asipana le
Bra
boria
Junior wa ko
Junior na
Polokwane.
ku Polokwane
Oh,
ya
yes,
lena nale ko Real Stars and wamitse ke motho u smart
Yeah.
and the way Mama Maria yena le Chico no le ntwe wana ke Chico yena natla ka bheke bonus Mama Maria yena di contract re signa di contract ke yena but to be honest na ba itshwere pila team lo ka level most of the players bana ba le na ba le happy kaofela bo the late Thabang Lebese go re kaofela bona team na ba itshwere pila unfortunately ba ile ba ibuyisa because of finance usina di sponsor usina nix yabona
ubani bekahlanye etimini nje iplay elihlanyayo nje
Amahlanya mola nathi
leyo mangakhona lo uyapilo uyagula lo
ya bo the late Thabang wayithi wayikulela ukhethi lena ko Chiso wamtsibo robe yami thula wayibona
Nareli too.
wayikulela phela wayibona seko training mo usamophasa le baba amponi BP ke be ke black phasa ball wayibona lilotsi la ko loitse ke re Thabang udlalo li1 kanti ayere ri levena mara ground onya ka ball all the time wayibona lilotsi
yeah bekanjalo
always una
Ulokuphasana naye one.
ya unya ko phasa yena li1
because I remember na abampromoter libonhlanhla Nhlanhla Kubheka liyena Nhlanhla Mathebula Alaska was promoter so no Isaac Mabuza safika vele ku Chiefs kusase ile commission Thabothi Bathabang wabona
ya Thabothi
so ari fitla la Poland na Central na Poland na Sampana le ko Chiefs so kwa kasiyaka vele so wadi chaela tsi hayi wabona no ai mo ke travel mo wabona uthi jonong ra dlala wabona re dlala di small sided games the late Chili's kir ai Doleza an chinjise pipa nkenye ko pipinya first team akere ke promotile under Doleza before Mushini ha Thabang mfethu o batla ball shoot intwana ne uzofuna ukuthatha ibhola enyaweni
Yeah.
shoot babangiphatha athi ayibambe san
Trap usuli.
yeah ayingamtrebula ngalithatha ngalibeka ngaphi wadlula ngezuthaba hayi mnandi leyo ntwana from lapho rafrostana la but wa intimidateana mantabaka yamtsibe bekanjalo yabona but it was a good guy to have in the dressing room also you know nahlanya la man and then
Ulona ntwana when you were 3 uTiko bekadana because I remember someone telling me ukuthi he was at Real Stars.
ubekakhona
ngidlale naye uTiko
Real Stars.
ya ku Real Stars lapha ndesese lentwana maybe Tiko nale ma 20 nekudula lena Tiko kunhlungu
unommona marori utlo achieve
Yeah, nadlula li-two.
what he has sekisho nje bombona but
hayi,
ukuthi
nale-
ukuthi uzo achieve what he has achieved
yeah because lena ke motora to jima wabona warogende Tiko
blind.
phela
Yeah, urato gym.
it was a good boy man nasadlale by that time
Yeah.
yeah but nana le rena da so ku Real Stars ke dulu ke share lena flat re nna bo botle kontlu Tiko modise ya
hey hayi bafethu asambeni Real Stars konje ndwini ikite ngikapelila la win
ya tse ba re ke di spectacular na re dlala tsona ke
yeah
ya re win
yeah ne ba le votela le swing la
spectacular.
kaiwa
ya yo
Yeah,
na le
because-
crowd to kanhlile
phela yeah nina le crowd vele kanhlile yeah no and then awu checka nje general before re tlo kena ko Pirates ukuthi ize kanjani imove Pirates uyibona kanjani idisk yethu mdladla manje general not without judging or insulting just your honest opinion wabona re buile ka ntho tsa di player tsena le character tshwanang le nna like tsa intimidator before the game go tunneling nan and the style of play are we improving in terms of our South African football or are we now changing our skillful players to play like ka remote control what's your take on that one because kutlwile coach Farouk there's one of the interviews ucoach Farouk bekakhuluma, and ucoach Farouk Nyamazi wenza coaching yakhe nabo Zagallo, the Brazilian coach, lo wawina iWorld Cup nabo Rivaldo nan. So he likes, you know, coach Farouk istyle sakhe. Hayi mfana uyakuyeka uze express le ukuthi uzokudlalisa ngathi remote one touch tutor. We've now the into ayibonayo uthi we are now changing our skillful players to be robots.
Yeah.
Uyibona jwang wena mkhutsi?
Yeah, like
Generally.
Yeah, uyakanna.
Yeah.
Akera ke le nna ke coach bala ona team ke coachang lo. No tolo ya kina maphephe ke nalona maphephe. Ngale B license ke itsi ball yabona.
Yeah.
O ka lebella. Especially ngikubelela ka big teams. Pirate Chiefs. Re ka boela morao. Ha ba re tabi. Batho na ba robala ku stadium, do you know that?
Yeah.
Fela ka bo 5 na utlwa vuvuzela illa.
Yeah.
Bona beno wa di bona dilo tseo. Ga sa di bona because e shwele ona beno. Because hape and hape o ka lebella ka mo Chiefs no le Jabu, ka mo Pirate le Tsovila
Or Steve.
le kwele ya tsikitsiki wa go mention mabitso mabhaya.
Yeah.
Bona beno ha o sana go ra sana vibe ya tabi. To bona ha isa le teng ela ya tabi go re wa itsore this week the whole week ba bolela ka tabi the whole week ka mola no le Phakto Mafana ntsa bolela ka gore like game e thomiwa ka bo mang ka di supportera
Media le di supporter yeah.
le management go teaming hape bo di PRO miki modisane ka mo wa advertiser wa bona vibe nya ne o ifedile ona ba no ka ilebela isa lete ka mola delete a tlhokofetseng
Alex.
Alex wa bona game ne le mona tona ba no gore aisa tshwana le pele ona ben to be honest and le di player tsa no ha sana mothana le plan wa itsura Chiefs Jabu o tla itsosa ka mola ke Steve or ke Tsovila gazi o tukutuku makhanya wa di bona dilo tse una le changes ona beno ka mko ke bona una le changes tse baya towards di player tsa rena tsa ka jeku gore ya disa ba chabo itsa di mistake chabo tsa risky wa bona chabo gore the more chabo itsa di mistake the more ga sidlale ya bona matsaja ko ne thomo ga re ya
Yeah,
yes. It changes the plan.
So are you also saying I sponsor my PRO because at that time being in a social media, so my PRO they will actually go to the fans physically. So mhlambe nale ushuti banga manje gune social media. So that's why manje ama PRO manje ifasa sekhona. Ahlale office na post. So akusena connection and with the fans. Yeah, so do you think Leonard mkhotsi ya idlalile role ya social media re sana le connection between the PRO the players and the supporters?
If you player like na problem le coach again ke khona bolela le PRO ona bena isa le teng into ya issue ile gore ba ibolaile and ba bolaya ball batho ba ke bona ba marketing game o ka level o lebe ne shwele o mize mthola na Jaiva walena wa Chiefs na Jaiva la ku stadium ayitsa wa bona bathi bangangisana gore interview so I feel a game before it dlala abantu ba interview awuka gore antsara ta di player la di ba banga ba sana le nickname ona bana di player a tsana nickname motori Taylor sana nickname ya bolo dama na ba fa bo botle wa bona dilo tse
Chapina le teng in one of our episode abu same thing are the players no nickname ya ki
Drake
are ke Drake
wa di bona dilo tse
o tsa are are o tla dlala jwa bolo tsa ha o botsa ntwana eno e dlala bolo re rolimbotlele ya o ke ba re ke Drake
ole motho tshola le wena o dribble ba nickname ya ke Kune ya khonala goalkeeper ba ke motho dribble wa bona la phela nna go dana re lebella batho ba dlala di position tsa rena bele bafana ba ka tjeka ba sa lebella ba busy PlayStation wa di bona dilo tse
no ne ke batla utla fela taba tsa hao kompola jwanong Pirates e fitla jwang e fitla mo Real Stars se ne problem ye nyoko se bafuna ukuba isi status awusicocele nje ukuthi leyo transition yenzakale kanjani wazithola so manje now remember nelinali support kwa Kupulukwane ka Real Stars but you had thousands supporters get an example now we are Pirates now ulo support wa ki or 20 uthabise batho buy like millions and millions now not thousands now transition mkhotsi iyenzeka le kanjani
yeah
and if ikhona amanye amathimbe wakufuna mhlambe maybe nayi Chiefs or in mhlambe ungasitshela and then bese uyasitshela ukuthi okay ukhethe kanjani ufike kanjani kule conclusion or le decision uthi hayi mina ngiyakupakania nayi team engifuna ukuyidlalela and that's where you've also made your name there. You were one of the best left back in our PSL era. I won't lie about that. Yeah, you were very strong and Kore as a left back jo boyi yonkinte ephelele. Bekokhuphuka yeah.
But to be honest rutwe ba re team ba iregisa re bona go newspaper na ba le re high nna ke re ke bona mo newspaper Real Stars Free State Stars di tsamaile PSL ba file bo Chigo bo Ria Chelete mula ke re bana rena ro itsa byang
ban
after a week ke ya bona kurante mola a betting go ne chodo la ke le kwati thapelo dia go Pirate wa ibona no ibona ku kurante
gore o ya ko Pirates
yeah
mara a management or your former management abasobu Chico le mamari abasobu le wena
yeah akufetsa ke ibona la
sorry so kore or se kanke uthi mhlambe sibashaye ideal bangantshelana
correct
and then
no makala kukulande ngibana lekhwathi ka utwa la ke mfone ye mona mo mari ya umfonisa re tsamaya re juice ke lai mo tsa mfonele pele o se le nna ke motho ke na di offer wa bona ke na di offer tsantsi ke somewhere re ya mfonela kupelo tsamele la ke le go Joburg ke mola go office tsa Pirate hona beyana le player tsa Pirate
jalo ngawuthabi mfethu Orlando Pirates
nekwatile because of Real Stars in the team sharp re go te market abila wa bona ntwe
yeah
and ba no re botso re go Pirate
kora bana tabro wena o fila byang
and re la di contract la phela and ba sentse ba re kolota ka wa di bona lutse la naza ngaya lana kala la ke tla o kreya fa
feta o tocela yeah
kala fa ke tla o thola chika mfonela mona ya juice una le motho tlo latang ke ra ke tlatla it's very chika fetsa mfonela ka starta go lo ikatla juice ka tla go Parktown mo ya ka ba thola majita da so ra negotiate le Dr. Ivan Khoza yeah
then you sign jwalo
ka sign le Pirate mo la ka no ba nkolota batho ba se unfia kae ba re ska wa re tla ilukisa
hayi bafethu ibambe kancane mfethu bafethu please ngicela ningakhohlwa ngicela ningakhohlwa to like share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Discussions sisayihlafuna la indaba yaka Tsotsi number 1 Abednego Nichodwe one of the great left backs bafethu is our legend bafethu is our legend manje sesila asuka khona ku Real Stars angena khona ku Pirates njengoba bekasasitshela ukuthi yena ubone emaphepheni ukuthi sikadlala le Pirates so ntwana kitse di contract here and then Pirates dintsang
ke sign 3 years mulo
yeah
and
then I think you won if akubuyimaka you won the league ne
yeah
ka
Repareto
it was 2003
yeah 2003 yeah tsele league da
but mfethu okay uvayile ukwatile or okay abanchayela which is fair even if it's a big team ntwana they needed ukuthi respect but now soda then kuthini ku so signile manje so what was in your mind manje so kuri no awusana uri kwatile or ing so signile so le Orlando Pirates player wena watsiba official usignile so ule wathini wena kuwe nje
akere wayithi before dlala ku pirate all over the newspaper all over la duma
Yeah, yeah.
se re mola before tlo dlala wa bona lotse se batho ba re itse before re to raha ball a ke re ba bang vela ba re itse re tla go di small team bo re ya stars ba bang ba re itse ba no re ba ke bo mang especially the players tsa pirate are ya ke re wa itse mo le o ya gymming o tletse bela but that time wa na re le 40 Majida wayidi ya Majida Josi bo bani laba bazosiza ngani banzi babolela wayibona ke libolela zulu and libona vela lilake ke lilake abarithi bona laba batswa Cameroon ba Tsenzuzi tsenzuzi ubani wayibona lilothi akele wa mupola Joseph ngaki akele wayithi ke miniere ke t-shirt ngaki kena tlangoreni how are you guys lo ra re ting ke ba ka mo batho ye no kena re welcome ile Joseph ngaki da so ku pirate butletse da ba tletse rena go re fitla rena go bongobe na ba le teng Red Silent na ba le teng o zuwa bo mgababa wayibona lotse bokupara
and then position ya how computer le mang mola hewe
computer le mchi ba le ke mang Innocent Chikoya
Innocent Chikoya,
ya ino na le teng le yena ke nna le yena fela
Mutale na survive
na sa tsamaile Edward Mutale
okay
Mara Chikoya lena and lena na vote.
Yeah, it was a top,
He had his moment where
Yeah.
he was really doing really well. So batla hore now it's ke batla ho checka psyche ya hao mkhotsi ukuthi joba so dlala Paris now so lapha by 40 bacabanga ukuthi ubuye eCameroon kuwe kuthini kuwe buthukiwe or buthi akloba bontsha amasepa
ka mo pelong ke raba abathwini abenza ke tswa Cameroon ba ke tlo dlala yabona and happy yona ke na le ntwilo la ke re bambaile pilot imbaile from Korea Stars akithi ba bambaile bukayo Moria mola yabona akanye ko luyitso ri utsamayang mola yabona
boy awuthi uri bawubhayile kahle
akitsi uri bambaile ka buka no fire da Pirate is a big team
Yeah.
then inside ke thabile and the time la ka vele le favor Chiefs but ke ngwana hae o nthabitso ntwana ya ka wayibona Stwadi favor Novias o lady wayibona
so zange uyibutse wena taba uri yeba fejwana khanti
mina ke le
transaction
nna inside ke thabile la ke dlala big team phela o itse uri tsentshi tse di a ema
yeah
wayibona and happy le nna ke nyoko dlala vele
and lwena wa tseba ukuthi no
No.
khe ubhekane ne challenge e serious
Yeah.
manje because twenty udlali no
tsore batho ba i40 ke ba ka ya naksina tawa le bona ba ke ra mo ke tlo dlala ke a ikitse nna
then after Joseph ngake makazakina azonibulisa ngeEnglish acaba ukuthi
kanhle
letswa kanhlela and then marabapa abanye bajita bale ban welcome grand and then naqale ke na
Yeah.
click nabakhona bobani ongaba mention mhlawumbe so obakhumbulayo ukuthi okay hayi abajita nabo hayi bagcine baba sharp for Tina and then that's why you went on to win the league no
bo Jimmy Tau tlile morena dugudugu the late gift nantsalteng twanela le yona ayibona nantsalteng gift akere wa mitsi le yena wa tella
yeah
akere wa itse lena especially Majita mo ha o tlhela maybe o tswa go bolempopo Majita Josi ba bona ga re tse ke di pari akere Majita so wait bana ga re bona ke tsona di clever fela akere wa bona bana ra ba bontshe ke le ba nna ke tswa so wait ke tswa social le ska to dlala mo pela ga la ke bo Steve ke la ona clever go vale o da clever go vale ai ti
and
wa
it's
bona
like nareng
wa
fela
bona nara to tshwenya Steve o like wa bona o Louis go camping anke kisetsa the way ke tsamaya ka teng wa bona linya na teng tsa le tsala ka lose go re ka metha ka plate wa sa to tlwela mpe wena after that ba braya ka so Steve
o ile wa mmetsa ka
ka
plate
plate go santini mo
now ntse
nantsa ntshwenya e kisetsa ka mkho ke tsamaya ka mkho ke bolelang wa di bona dilo tse
Yeah.
and then sometimes ke a kwata nna wa bona ka tshwara plate ka metha ka yona phala show sa re well done that's good akwana itsa thulane phila ke re
Yeah.
re ke merile pila but after that about Chaka Steve
Ke out sharp,
sharp
yeah no Acho you had a great team and you won the Rick Bonner, you won the league o para na le dale
Yeah,
yena ke
para na le teng le.
le bo Lucas Twala
Yeah, Lucas Twala,
Mdledle.
yeah,
Hey
Mdledle,
Joe ayibenqinile mfethu
But those ones they came after you, Bo Lucas Twala Limdledle, ne?
Yeah, utlile nna pele Palashe san latela ba le ke ma Lucas Twala.
Lucas Twala.
O la to compete le nna ntwana ile ke ntse ke guide wa bona.
Yeah, yeah.
Sineneng batlisa Mdledle na little no le nna Mdledle o na sa tsamaile ile ko Rangers. Chiko yena se availe.
Oh.
Na little.
Yeah.
Ba latela le chomi ya hao no jive ba le ke mang tlhomelang. Ke playa ke le jive go botsa.
ke uthanda
Ke jive ke le
Yeah.
playa go jive. From Cosmos.
Yeah,
Eh.
yeah,
Ba
Makoporosho.
na le competition ya batho ba 4.
Yo.
Makoporosho.
Makoporo.
Yeah.
So nearly
yeah.
nearly first choice, we.
Obvious.
Yeah.
Mara ke wa itse especially udlala big teams if ke shela lo ena position a uncango epila wa dibona le yena tse uba le di maybe akentse mo ka se nne motho go le nna wa dibona le and next na yona di
Mfethu,
wa dibona le tse especially go di big teams
Yeah.
maybe lo muntu uzonshanga esigalagala uzoyengena wa dibona le
It's like ngifuna ukubuza la ile wena aphethinika ukuthi vele because I know ukuthi namachita seJozi abhaya bewaspanisa isikhala especially kuma big teams. Okay, nakuwo ma small teams but especially kuma big teams.
Yeah.
So as vele amachita bewangani insult ngala ile ukuthi yeah izasela impompo ziyaloya azange nibe nayo la ile ukuthi amachita insult which such insults.
sibe nayo lento leyo obviously akere ba re tlile go Polokwane bana ka re tsona go Polokwane ka nna ke tswala mo sosha
Kanti wena, oh,
wa bona dilo tse ba re no
yeah.
tse tsa go north di blind ka segalagala
Yeah.
wa di bona dilo tse and the hap le nna ba re ke movenda ba re mavenda blind wa di bona dilo tse ba dance ba loya wa di bona akere wa itse di player di bia
Yeah.
obviously and then if you guys tsentsha ka mo pele tlo khawat
Utlogcina usa focus ko
gonna sa focus go spanning wa bona dilo tse
Yeah. So
Eh.
relationship ya Luna as you were competing for one position, Lucas Twala Mdledle, nearly jwang njengoba utsho re omo nelisa utlwani at all vele or
not
when as a
really.
senior player maybe try to advise and guide them.
Because nami senior player khale ke dlala ko Pirate bankirile ke dlala ko Pirate
yeah.
ke yabuza ntwana if na ngitswile ka di booking udlala Twala or Mdledle mo after game ke yakoye ke well done mara uyazi ukuthi ngiyabuya wayibona ke motivate wabona lotse but bona ba le 2 batla tswala meeting no lo akadlali
Unorigi uba motivate abaruthi
ke ra ke yabuya mina
Yeah,
but well done but wazi ukuthi one mistake yabuya ke tosithwala ke position yaka hiyo
Yeah.
I've been here for so long.
And how was your relationship with Roy Pereto mfethu on as a team and on a personal level?
Yeah, Ray Boreda again a new coach, Lerena new
Okay.
and ngare ke coach wena ke ngangwa because of playing welengwe if coach wa modladisi wa morata.
Yeah.
Because none has no problem le nna and na believe amona that's why ha mfile chance ke dlala na ke modlalla.
Yeah.
Ake di player ya dlalla ja bona ra o ancanga wa tshwala ka o tsentsa wa tloela
Yeah.
how all out but dona le di coach ra tse dingwe wa bona ro wa believe mo bana wa mo spanela o nyoko ra tsamaya
Yeah.
wa bona dilo tse lo ene example machine
Yes.
wa rata
Yeah.
and lo ene wa morata
Yeah, yeah.
go khona wetsa even chiefs ya jiwo khona bona ra ya re ke tse miracle
Yeah.
ke save coach
Out here,
wa di bona dilo tse
So no, angicocela story si sa Davi saka se le sa pala juice Steve. Angicocela bafethu chance ngicela nimamele le story chance ifikile Davi mina ngicocela ngichipa ke wamtsiba wahlanya ule wamtsiba vele
ngamtsiba Steve yeah
ngicela wena
wapha.
usicoce mfana ngivikile Davi knowledge
Yeah.
I think lapho ucoach Palacios bekuyi interim coach ne ku Pirates so kuyodlalwa sodlala ne Pirates ngicela mfana uchubeke naso ukuthi
Yeah, dlala le Chiefs against Pirates against Chiefs during the week. Tontoro dlala 11v11 emola coach uMohare mo center wa ribitsa. Raya ra okha mola wetha wezela ke right coach abetha wezela tsonto uthwele ngithu umathe. But now I'm not running ke okha ke yakusekele mo lo nyoko ri tshwarisa meeting uri Chiefs idlala yang what wabona na kuyawoka phala shoes ala ha you the way you're walking you got a makjabu pule never wayibona ana kabuka ngasimake jabu mawusuwa
usho Raymond uflat footed wathi bawushebani
wait uchebanile man wake up wayibona
hey Joe yazi
ene kabona namuka la muthu ha etsa so nyoko ntsho nyoko dladisa twala
Player high.
kanti nyoko dladisa player ya hayi I'm fit coach I want to play wayibona diluthi
hey ubona uchipa uSteve makayikhuluma ngale voice yakhe athi no I mean Nico you can't make jabupule walking like it is uyasuthi hey uzothola inkinga hey awube flat on toes
Ube ngamathethe
no but
ngwa.
these are beautiful stories mfethu uyabona ukuthi idabi beyinjani mdladla uyangaunderstand ukuthi idabi beyinjani
Mara-
no coach bekakhona ukwenza awema ungathi uya relaxa mhlambe even mental uthi hey baba hey phaphama ndoda.
But your first derby mfana, what was going through your mind? Your first derby uthi ngiyodlala iderby namhlanje. Bekwenzakalani?
honest first derby aka ngithwile yo kore batho bothuwa like Steve Khaladlala udlethe idabi na 16 years
Yeah.
ba utlwatla konna tsotsi na ngithwile kanti nake mangi na it's FNB Steve yeah
Yeah.
kore to be honest anamthosa to win
Hayi, akekho.
first touch is very important
Yeah.
yeah ke ntho amputse yona Steve are mona mo yabo no first derby yaka ke yitsi derby our first touch is very important if ukalahla never sa recover
Yeah.
wayibona
And
nthi
the village,
and happy ke bona happy ka di Vodacom challenge sale na le player engwe ke lebetse lebitso la yona mo soccer city re dlala mona u coach phala shosi go tletse FNB yela Vodacom challenge
Yeah.
but a homape a re yena ka se homape tshwile a tlola di cocks ya hema de botswa mafikeng ona ka da ke lebetse player yeah a le go pirate
Are Nix
a re
coach.
nix go tletse ka se homape mo yeah
And then uvaisitswe ke eng go Pirates o etsa etseng mdladla.
go pirate re ke vibe pila ne se tle ke dlala and nna ke nna motho la o dlala ke latile chairman la nyaka ke Celtics in
Okay.
yeah ka kopa chairman or kopa tsama chairman ala hayi coach itla tsama ska tsama o itse le player o go dlala man
Oh, the reason no bonga sadlala.
Yeah,
And
like
who
it-
was the coach there?
ke ena Papish
Okay, na Papish.
le ena coach ba le ke mansalatla hayi ase Papish na sa vaile Micho ke vaile na go
Oh,
fitlile
na
wena
ke fitla
na go
nna.
fitla
Yeah.
ke Jimmy le wena ka dlala le wena
Yeah.
maybe o lebetse
Eh, ya kere
Micho yeah
mental block.
Mitchell
assistant no le Tibbs
Yes.
Tebo Mlo.
Ngiyawupole ya.
yeah
But Mitchell was a nice coach mfethu.
Right.
I was a nice guy.
yeah no le ntwana nyana
But I
that
think
time
that man
afika
bekasasemncane
Yeah,
kakhulu at that
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Ka re wa tshwana le coach e ya no ke mang Riviere.
Revelo yeah
In terms of personality and stuff.
yeah
Phela-
Mariana o itse bolo Micho
Phela
Oh,
phela was ibhola and manje ugift the late
Ngamtele,
bekambiza ngegama.
ke game
Are Micho yabona sometimes yabo coach mhlambe sigene ground mhlambe sazitekela yabona or sidlala I square mhlambe sidlala i5v2 mhlambe ibhola li yabona mhlambe umunye athi uyal trap abamakayi maybe liphume kusekile liye ngaku coach ugift wathi Micho pass the ball there.
Yeah.
Acho gift mfethu hayi vum what a beautiful character.
Character,
And then sharp the players buy okay ugcine uya ko Celtic what's I think because the players buy at that time ke awupula nonali this thing ya FC barking AK
yeah
and the players buy it's machitana dlala like anal experience nang bese waya ngale kulo now you were part of that group.
yeah na nakunyaka ke Celtics ke refuse ya ko Celtics because of le chelete nabanye komfa yona no le chelete nyana yabona
Yeah.
Aziz Kara boss ya FCK
Yes.
alata chairman a rona ke nyaka mfana chairman amfonela mputsuru ke nyako yana
And FCK at that time in the second division,
in
but you renew.
blind
Yeah.
Ke the time ba Bomudawu
kaofela
and all these top players who went to
Dance
sign
Maki
but
o
yeah
ile la bo Mutapa
Yeah,
Albertina
yes.
wayabona
AD,
bo edi ba bantsi especially player tse tswang go pare bo Seila Chabalala ba tlhada ba ile da so ana ka re no ire ke bolele le fro ya ka pele ke tla boya mo wena chairman e damana mfonela Aziskara antshepisa le hodimo le lefatshe
Hey wena.
azanga fitla le go fro ya ka mmotsa ka ra nna ka tsama ka molata ka morapela even Dr. Ivan Khoza ka ra kopotsa mapos
Dada.
yeah are o serious no ka re ya ke serious are okay and logo la re no a shi clearance ya
So le vaile sharp little time.
ya ke vaile sharp little time
Azange
ya
libe-
yeah mara akufitla la FCK ya no I was happy kore I get great to wine again ya da so
Onwetse nyuko re nwetse lo dlala.
no how ya go diamond how bolela lena sa lo bona chairman how bolela lena so no fa 10 patla or 10,000
Yeah.
at that time no le nchambi
Yayi
that
kakhulu, yo
time.
kakhulu.
diamond no le nyora shem I don't know what happened ka yena but first time di player di tswang PSL especially o tswa go Pirate o ya go team ya NFD o nyaka ke di team tsa PSL re refuse ba bantshi di player
La ya da.
da o itse mola FCK ne le professional a re dlala Cape Town on Saturday re vaya on Thursday ra flyer on Thursday and ra pala di sutu damana na le bus ya Chiefs Pirate azanga ba le di bus tsa yona damana na le bus ya high FCK
So khotsa khetse.
I don't know what happened ka diamond na go godile 3 months fela mola after that dilo tsa ba di tswalla diamond but 3 months yo ne ke le happy kore 3 months ele kore e thibile season yo Será, kore next na stress
Yo, Jojo.
kore 3 months ke godile
Umaka
mola
mfethu.
and hape una le sengwe fee
yeah
And o tshwere le sign on.
wa o fa se wa o signa fela o fa tšhelete yo tle diamond
Yo.
yeah
Efethu.
true story kore a ke bolele maka
Yeah.
le ba bang ba tlo ba bitsang mo ba batlaletseng FCK ba tla o botsa bona na re godisana le di player 20,000 every month re fa 20,000
Unamanga mfethu.
o ka re nya go e busetsa gore o bo o dlale le wena o ka re nya go ya
Hey
go
mfana wangikhadisa man.
and phela
yeah ba tla o botsa
Wangikhadisa,
dila
ntwana.
to be honest
Yeah, guys. No. Bothini sense.
ngithi ntwana phela 20,000 at that time bebhaya nto
Bra, ngisho ne 10 le akhulume ngayo
Yeah.
ule utsotsi number 1. Cabanga ichairman ifike nje kuwe nisayicocela mhlawumbe nisakhuluma intuzini nathi la nayi 10
Ba, nayi, yayi.
ekholi uzobona nje wenzani
Uzobona
ekholi
nje.
petrol uzobona nje wenzani if that was a lot of money mfethu mara manje konje bayile bekuyinto zama business ezileza yenza bekuya yini bo SARS or in
yeah something like that
almost njengebo mamkhize so
Yeah.
then ama business wakhe
bavala yeah
and then
yona hayi nale team sharp bla na re compete la FCK number 1
then mkhotsa ayetsala le after 3 months no le ring le majito re ba fethu phela manje ngathi izinto ziyavaleka phinde bekwenzakalani nje
yeah re boletse le majita le ba fethu damane re thusitse damane ha ke itse as ka tlheregola ha re fetseng season because of re tla thusana mola le mola be mara ke nna re gola pila no sna player lang gore ine go tsamaya hona be no haye re tletse season without getting salary mara cheleta re fileng yona ma 3 months na ipusha dilo tsotsotle kore wa bona mola na re
Ntwana Umaka,
ai serious ya mola gore
shuthi out le out bezimisele ngadayileng
right phela mola nona le if ke o phasa je bua kora una le bonus ya nna re go phasitso korile clean sheet bonus le dingo ha o korile o kra chelete
yo
wa di bona le tse
Yeah.
kima and how lo go ntla ke re tletse of ya sere maybe re 30
Yeah.
o ya 18 fela wena lo go ntla kwa sere minyetso re jiwe because o kra bonus le wena
yo
Yeah.
wa
Yeah.
ibona ntwe
Yeah.
and o ka se be greed or no o kra 5,000 ha o passitse re kra yo lekane if ke o passitse if you get 3,000 o kra 3,000 if o kolele o kra 3,000 a o bona no sina motho mo greedy
kutsho re no
wa ibona dilo tse
la spanisana
raspanisana mo
Yeah.
that's what team millionaire le sha no sina jealous or hayi ke ya gonga ke ngo sense ska dlala
yeah
because if
ubula team
Ubula team.
yena ko wayibona lilotsi
Yeah,
even if rena re dlala re kla 3000 wona ka skre 3000 wo kla 2000 it's better than nothing
yeah obviously
bona lilotsi
yeah obviously vele mawungadlala usestanding vele
Yes.
it's only fair vele
Yeah.
angeke uthole ile imalo umuntu odlalayo
Odlalayo,
otherwise
wayibona.
ungavele na uyihlalele estanding uleke uyiholela
uyiholela
Uyiholela nje mahala,
and
so-
asi team itsotsotse tse neyetsa ntwe even
Yeah,
if ba
and
fa
I-
bona se 18 fela
no ura at like most of the teams no one net
Yeah.
bekuyi 18 kuphela mawuse squadini 18 and kule 18 mawungene 60 minutes
yeah
ukuya le uthola ibonus full bonus yeah like full bonus after lapho wangena 30 the last 30 minutes or last 20 minutes uyabayekhatha the full uthola lekulingene uthola ama minutes wakho
Yeah. Wayibona.
shuthi laba kwenzela ukuthi kumele usipane ukuthi next game uzifuna la
mara thina at super sport noma udlale 2 minutes boyithola full bonus as long ungenile. That is why thina ama youngsters uPitso would if abo angithi uyazi besihola kancane, so you would make sure ukuthi sikhona ebenchini igame if via grand uyakulahlela noma nje yabo bekasilahlela kanjalo 10 minutes nyana 20 minutes nyana maka ngabe vele bekangazimiselanga ukudlalisa uzobona ukuthi akufake le 3 minutes leyo ke just ukuthi uthole le bonus because you knew ukuthi it makes a lot of difference kuma salaries wethu.
kanti lehle bekakuhlokisa
Bekakuhlokisa ukuthi
Yeah.
nawe uqine nawe
yeah
bekakuhlokisa
ukhuthale nawe mfethu.
wayibona
hayi mfethu but now ayasevala and then ugcine ucoacha King Buya Msuthu
Yeah,
ko
Buya
ABC Mutsipe
yeah
and your team yawo Nkari it was doing well.
yeah no
So what happened mfethu ka Buya Msuthu? Kwenza
Buya Msuthu no le kore Buya Msuthu ne nkhupho tsa yona team e ke tswa mo yona FCK the way di lona di rana ka teng same thing la yeah
Nyuku nje ne bawugaya.
ya mola no le mnata that's why ibile gcine ke latile Tebo Mloyi kana to ba head coach ke ba assistant ya high because na le vision na le go ya somewhere
Oh,
Yeah,
you even
isipanelele,
introduce
yeah.
ayenziwa leyo nto leyo. Abantu abaningi abayenzi. Uhleli efutheni bese ubiza omunye umuntu uthi
Wayibona.
and futhi uthi by head coach ngibe assistant. Yo,
Yeah, because-
why bokhetha uTebo Mloyi mfethu?
ngiyamtseba Tebs ke sipanelena ku Pirate kuyamizi una le vision e mane and ngibona uri uto ruthusa because of okalebela team yana tse baya tsa go bo Northwest ka mola haba bona somebody atswa maybe Pirate Chiefs bathuwa le di player tsa teng di athuwa le di coach di athuwa la kore dela no sidliwile hey coach le yayo wamazi ba coach Pirate lo muntu already wabethile kanqondo wayibona dilotsi
yeah.
and haba ko Buya Msuthu nana quality players
Yeah.
yeah na rithole quality because bafana balena bagola and na bagola pila
Nebahola sharp.
yeah and the team na ba rana professional
So kwenza
that's why re try the playoff I got like 3 but if asina kwa how
yeah very.
because they Buya Msuthu nena le everything ko ne tshwere everything but
no shota ka luck nyana
it's not that luck
Yeah.
wayibona
Mara was it taba ya luck or was it taba ya corruption ko ABC Mutsipe? Phela that league is corrupt. If you don't have money it's difficult to get promotion.
rena na everything because of that's why negere re
Neli
tshwere everything
intana.
that's why it's not that luck
Yeah.
yole re thole promotion
Neli intsazaka mara.
mola nona le nyuku mona ha ona team ena e mona di support na re feta di team tsa bo NFD tsa PSL some of the teams ka support
Yeah.
Rustenburg ile ne itlala because a re tlala mo Khasi Stadium mona no tlala ba betha moropa ba opela akithi sale una le team ngo sala ra dlala competition le Chiefs go Rustenburg go Klerksdorp bukoni buphirima cup
Okay, upula cup ubukoni
Yeah.
buphirima
le teng Buya Msuthu mona Chiefs re jele 2-1 kam khona re thole quality ka teng and e dlalisa first team ya yona Chiefs
nitlisise
first team not ba di ice block not ba sa
Not
dlale
by-
ice block not ba sa tsene ba di ice
Not
awu
by the ice.
not ba di ice block
So no wetsang ka coaching ugcine la coach.
yeah gcine la coach
Why? Awusana interest or you got other
like-
things or ungasitshela futhi if maybe there's other businesses so that even if we don't want to expose them like ukuthi yini, it's fine but
no
why-
ke coaching like or get the coaching nakinze ke market wa ke down to market ku di big teams ize ba o botsa re no una le maphepha na ke no akina maphepha no it's a maphepha re tlo tseya
yeah
ka etsa coaching course ka e fetsa ha o marketa da ba o botsa re hey tshwantse o be le B license akena go una le C o etse B ba re banyaka A after A banyakang wa di bona dilo tse gore batho ba ba
So,
na
currently-
gore eh ba lose interest ai gore akusale interested lo coach to be honest because na ke nyaka de ding
Yeah.
bona ke nyaka o coach
Sure.
that's why ke ne ke ntsha cheleta ka ke etsa coaching course
And they do the costs.
and they are doing the course
ayatura la makhosi
yes
It be maybe about 20,000-30,000 man.
yeah
hayi bafethu
ngana that time ke patetse 7,000 ha ke etsa
yeah maybe ke
yeah wa bona yeah
Mara no, it's 20
Manje.
ukuyale phezulu.
yes
serious
Depending ukuthi uyenza kuyiphi province.
yes
yo bafethu musisa yati expensive
Yeah.
yenza amaphepha mara bayazi ukuthi it's a lifetime thing muse wena
they expire until maybe after 5 years no tshwana le license tshwantse o ntse o renew refresh a course wa di bona
Yeah?
dilo tse yeah we refresh
serious
Yebo.
Refresh.
I say serious mngoni
Yeah,
wabona awuboni ke ibile ke
refresh.
at least ke lifetime yabona we keep a once leyo 20
Aye.
after 5 years asithi awukasitholi isipanye or
Yeah,
usithola
uyabona.
minyanga yes4 yes5 maybe you renew maybe you keep enye
yeah we refresh of course
phela
akele that's why I refresh akele le ball changes wa yabona no le modern football di changes the ball ka level tshwantse o tshware dilo tsa ka tse kutse
Yeah, ungacoach
to le training session wa ha isa tshwana le pele
Yeah.
yana beta the round o etsa eng no wa bona dilo tse
Yeah,
dilo di
yeah.
changes no
Yes.
it's modern football
so kanti knowledge aba akuna sort of something like maybe yesafa as a association ekwazi ukuthi mhlambe ma ungena nyuko and ufuna ukwenza i-coaching mdlalo akukho la kanti like
Ikhona.
banceda khona
Players Union iya subsidize but
Okay.
sometimes we would go there bakutshele ngokuthi imali ayikho this and that or they can't fund everyone tholakala ukuthi niya lapha ni 20 they can only help a few players so yeah but they do help players union
or players union but
yeah.
it's
But
difficult to
nakhona
help
ngeke
everyone
bakufande ngayo yonke imali efunayo lapha enye kumele uzikhiphele
or
Yeah,
bakumitha
bakukhiphe-
halfway
yeah bakumitha halfway
oh but esano eish kusho ukuthi manje vele uthe awusafuni next nge-coaching
yeah like that's why ke le busy ka go etsa tournament ya ka because of ke nyoko o ka level la social nguve anje mo social da e tumile ka ba le di haste ka harafa batho ba e chaba wa bona ke nyoko e change ntwe hore le motho ha tla social nguve a ska chaba abe free wa
Ah, mina
bona that's
nami-
why ke le busy ke etsa number 1 tsotsi annual tournament
Oh, se-
wa
se-
di under 21 wa di bona dilo tseo
oh so say na le how many years no
this year is second edition
or second edition
yeah ke thomile last year
last year so idlala nini which month and
idlala-
vele salusitshela yonke ama details wawo vele yabona.
dlala ka di 15 16 June
okay
ko social nguve da ku Vukani primary school
oh then
ke top 8 ke di under 21
under 21 then it ama team affiliated da
yeah ka 2000 but already athletes since athletes ka March
oh, for this second edition
yeah,
so kuvalile
yeah sengivalile man
so i first prize ahamba kanjani ama prize
20,000 second prize ke 6,000 third prize ke jersey
oh
yeah and habe the legend di tlo dlala to curtain raises for dintwana tse ba motivate bafana ba bona re le bona ba thomile no kumu ba khona dlala no kumu
yeah
that's why ke istone ku ka se ya kona mo re thomile
yeah
everyone o thomile ona mo ano thoma motho ano thoma mo greening tshwantse o bereke gore o fitlhe mo
Ko greening,
tshwantse
yeah.
khobo ke le di five bobo
Yeah.
wa di bona dilo tse o bona rae mo ke tswang ke tswa mo le snening a bona ke tswa da
yeah sometimes you have to go there
Yes.
uqale from scratch
Scratch.
phansi ukuya phezulu but what is the aim of that uthi ubatla u achieve in grand
na pila ke no
totally like this is I've created this thing this is what I want to achieve. Ke
Yeah.
a tseba o chilo hanyana hore social ngube vele yaziwa ngokuthi iphathwa
Yeah.
amaharafu lapha nani. But nje I was unpackele yona because it's the opportunity also for you here to talk about yabona iwona tournament yakho and nezinye izinto zenzayo whatever you want to talk about or you want to let people know ukuthi wayetsa, this is your platform.
ore ke thome diding nna to be honest una la uthengwe ke like khotselena ke geletsitse lena wa bona o ka se aka ba re ke go drive hotel o betha ke dilo tsa ka tsheko ba re ke dinyawo and that man it was a good player go ra ke lebeletse diding go re in touchitse diding wa bona ore ke be ke etse diding ke re no motho ne le good player and ona di player tse ntshi tse di tla mo mora wa hae a kenya gore ba tshwane le diamond wa bona ke nyoko ke ntshabana ba go di drugsing wa bona ntwe ke re no at least mo social da ka ba le bone chodo ba bang bo le quality ba bangwe wa bona di player a sana di player go social and we itse ka siela ke ka se sharp na di player tse good a o sa dladiwa ball ball e shwele wa bona bana ke nyoko busa ntwele
So shapiwa ba re king chive king chive ya ku Pitori ba re yini isho man angisho
swazi
eDurban
amaJayi.
iqhuma
Bacardi
yeah, so
Yeah.
no
I wanna
so Leona, I'm not saying Bacardi bad because it's a career if it works for them, but
Yeah.
when as a soccer player when o batla
Kenya,
gore bolo e dule
e dule le
ile
teng.
yeah
Yeah,
no,
o be
maybe
le
it's
di-good
Bacardi.
players.
Yeah, ba jive Bacardi ya
Yeah,
must ba
baby.
jive baba out of control
Yeah.
Yeah, so on put and fit because I always see you with like Khwati. Friendship alone is strong from Khali. It told me le jwang da friendship mfethu.
Yeah, nale kusayitse o ledi laka lo ledi la lagi bagelezitse bobutle
Okay.
ko nabanna da ka mkho ke tlhalise ngai thoma show re no ke tswa go Winterfeld go Magaonyana ba gotse bobutle so male nna ke dlala ka tlhakana le ena la ke hata go hae da so o ledi wa mitsi o itse mama hae so mara ra ba and the happy re share flat ra nna bobutle go ntlung a re fitla go Pirate le go Real Stars da ra nna le ena le
Oh,
ntwa le ba
yeah.
dituku wa bona ntho engwe no etsahala o sa I plan
Yeah.
yeah
so
lo yena chifa le jabo le di2 ukasithe lihlakane ka ngane tshwane wayibona dilo jabo kwa wayibona dilo tse le motho wa iputiso le batho ba tlhakane bya
Yeah.
jabo ka mo kompe maybe ya bo Lucas tlhomelang yao a ke se wa iputisa dilo tse ntsi wayibona dilo tse
efetsi bona jabuli botlhobela ka ke mara wena wa tela o tla ntella go showng ya ka
male nna ka iputisa ke ntse ke liwa mara sense le jabo ba tlhakana ka le bona tsa le bana ka no dijimala ke re mara ka dipila batho ba tlhakana gae character tsa bona di tshwana
Di tshwana.
sense di dimetse wena o khuluma kakhulu ke la tshwaetsa
efetsi
myself
awutshele ngifuna nje ungitshele lelo gaba ubani iplayer mfana bothi molfacile in your career yo belikunika ubunzima 1
wayazi nawe ukuthi ubani
ubani no angazi
Yeah, kwenda.
hayi ukuthi bafethu siscript
Yeah,
ukuthi
kwenda.
Yeah.
mina ngizibuya ngithola ntwana hayi ukuthi sithe abethu kumele
nosidamthwala asalenga wena even le coach
yeah nedile
ya nalila ka wena uyabona
and then you advise mkhotsi kule ntwana zamanje current players sezithola inyuko ebhaya zithola nama endorsement like sebayitsa nyuko
Yeah,
bafana
yeah,
ba
bayitsa nyuko
kupa as a
bafana.
Grootman mkhotsi kupa bagaye which advice ukabagaya ngiyona mkhotsi mase sesizoyivala
yeah advice engayifanga especially current players because no bathola nyuko ebhaya
Yo,
bafana ba
yeah,
tshwantse ba invest wayabona ntwe the hapa akele di players akhana motho kupa baskara omongare ka 325 320 328 wadibona ke ntwe one ntwe
Yeah.
and baskale ba lo chelete ya fela tshwantse ba invest chelete ya fela nanga ba advice or no haba invest mo di property they won't go wrong even if ba sa tle ba dlala it lo ba thusa in future wa bona dilo tse yeah ba invest chelete ya fela especially ona ka mo South Africa nga mention di players tsa ntshi tse di tletseng overseas no ba sana next because of na ba kra di dollar rena ka mo ke di ranta wa di bona dilo na go ba di players tsa no unfortunately bona ba kra chelete ntshi ona ba no rena re kreile not re rallo ra right hola re put
yeah
yeah
totally
yeah tshwantse ba investe chelete ya bona ba be right and they happy ntho nka ba botsang yone ba ska lebala mo ba tlhahang yeah and they happy ba respect the parents tsa bona e parent a mmotsa something a yetse ntho because of motswadi if o ngangisa le motswadi dilo tsa ho di to ya go fatshe and dilo to makala tšhelete fela o sa itse fela bya
Hey son,
Wa bona dilo tse.
what a good advice. Bafethu, no, this episode was brought to you by BetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bets. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register Bafethu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandes shuffling Tiski Ringers. Bafethu, powered by BetJets. As registering go BetJets Bafethu. Sonbona in the next episode. Adios.
It's a rap.
Danko mdlali. Hayi, ewapha wena. Hayi.